Hi, my name is Azra Ashrik bin Rahim. I'm from CJ Engineering Department. I'm taking Environmental Engineering. Today, I would like to compare membrane keyboard and mechanical keyboard. Okay, today I want to tell you about the features. This one is membrane keyboard and this one is mechanical keyboard. Okay, about the sound, about typing sound, this volume is low, while mechanical keyboard is the volume is more higher. You can hear this. Okay, for membrane keyboard, this is more portable. About the lifespan, membrane keyboard have a less lifespan than mechanical keyboard. About the cleaning, it is harder to clean a membrane keyboard as the keycaps are usually not removable. Okay, about the price, this is not too expensive. Okay, next, the backlight keyboard, we cannot change it. Okay, for mechanical keyboard, the durability, they take a longer time than membrane keyboard to wear out. And this mechanical keyboard, the weight of mechanical keyboard can be either a pro or a con depending on how you use it. Mechanical keyboard tend to be heavy, which helps by stopping the keyboard from being pushed around your desk when you type. Okay, it's more heavy. Then this one is more easier to clean. The keycaps, you can open it to clean or something on like what you want. Okay, the sound volume more loud. Okay, and this one is more expensive, and you can change the backlit keyboard. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's all. So that's all from me about comparison about membrane keyboard and mechanical keyboard. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.